Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Brittany. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. So today we're filming a very exciting video. We're going to be doing a first impression on this new Benefit 3D brow tones in the color Magenta. And as you guys know, I do have like magenta-ish / red hair, and I could never really find brow products that are the exact same color as my brows. And I was at work one day when we did finally get this, and I tried it on and it really matched my hair, and I got super excited, so I wanted to show you guys and kind of test it out for you guys and see what it looks like on the brows. Okay guys, so this is supposed to give your brows instant color highlights, and they do have like different kind of colors. They have like copper, magenta, blue, that kind of thing. But of course I got the magenta one, and it's also supposed to be kind of like a brow gel, so I didn't wear any brow gel today just because I knew I was going to be trying this out. I'm super excited, so let's go ahead and read this and see what it says. Oh, and this does retail for $24 at both Ulta and Sephora. So it says, brows come to life with this colorful highlighting gel. It softly highlights brows and makes your eye color pop. Wear alone, or for best results, wear over a brow pencil. And so I do have my brows already filled in for the day, but I'm gonna go ahead and remove this brow and try this product on its own, and then I'm gonna also try it on this brow on top of like all my products to see how that would look as well. And so I'm so excited. Like I said, I did try it at work, but I only tried a little bit and I was working obviously, so I couldn't like just sit there and analyze it. I just kind of like put it in my brows really quick. I was like, oh, it kind of matches, and that's pretty much it. So I haven't actually tried any of the Benefit brow products at all personally. I know they're big on YouTube, and a lot of YouTubers wear like the Goof Proof pencil and stuff like that, but I personally have just never tried any of their brow products. I do have on right now the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, and then I also use the Brow Wiz just to kind of line up the bottom, and that's all I have in my brows. So this is what the actual packaging looks like. It's in the silver tube. Looks pretty unique. It's kind of bulky to have like in your makeup collection, but it doesn't really bother me. And so let's go ahead and open it and see what it looks like. Okay, so it has a very interesting brush. It's very, very spiky. That is what the actual brush looks like. Hopefully you guys could see all the like spikes it has. It's pretty interesting. And so like I said, I'm going to try it on this brow with all my product already in it. So we're just going to try it on that first. And I'll probably take my hair down later on just to see if it like actually matches my hair. So this is how I usually would apply my brow products. I kind of just spike up my brows. Ooh, you could see it's already adding some color. And I do my brows pretty dark, so it might be a little bit until we actually see the color payoff that it gives, just because my eyebrows are so dark. But I was just so excited because this color seemed like it would match my hair perfectly. Okay, so that's what we have so far with one layer of the product. You go ahead and zoom you in a bit. There we go. I'm going in for a second layer now. Just gonna pop that in there. So it's definitely giving my brows some highlighting like effects. Like I could definitely see the pink in there, but you could also still see the brown. Okay, now I'm going to go in for a third layer, just because I really want to build up the color and see how it looks. This little ball at the end, I don't know if you guys could tell, it has like a really spiky ball. It's really cool because you could go right into the brow with it and kind of comb everything. And so that is what the brows look like with like 3 layers, and also with my brow products already in. And I actually really like the way it looks. It like blends in with my hair, but also it still has that brown in there, so it looks pretty wearable still. I was never one to want to do my whole brow pink or red. It was just not my thing. I feel like I would look crazy just because, as you guys can see, I love wearing like crazy eye makeup and then crazy brows to match that. It would just be too much. But yeah, I really like the way it looks with my actual brow products already in, and this just on top to add a little bit of color. So that is one brow done. All right, okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other brow, but I'm gonna do it with no product in there. So I'm actually gonna take the product out of my brow, and I'm just gonna use like a Q-tip and some makeup remover. So I'm just gonna remove what I have in my brows. And if you're wondering why I have the same makeup as another video and I'm like super highlighted today, is because I did do my Kat Von D highlighter first impression today as well. And so that's why I'm super highlighted right now. It's kind of hard to get this brow product out just because the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade is pretty waterproof. Now this product is a little bit more pricier than like the Anastasia brow gel that I usually use. That one's only $22 and this one's $24, so $2 more. But it does have color in it. I don't know how much their other brow products are usually. I don't really pay attention to the prices, to be honest, but. Okay, so I pretty much have all the product out of my brows now. And I'm just gonna go in straight with the product. And we'll see how it looks. Oops, I put a lot in the front. Let's see if we could comb that out. It looks kind of crazy because let's see if I could, maybe I could spoolie it out just a little. I like the pink showing through, definitely, though. It's got a little messy. I'm just gonna spoolie this part. I feel like it's too messy. There we go. Okay, going in with some more product. I feel like I need to add to this one now, just because this one has a lot in the front right here. And then just clean up right here. This one is a little harder to clean up than a regular brow gel just because it is tinted pink, so you just gotta be careful with it. Okay guys, so that is both brows done, and honestly, I can't tell which one I like more. I honestly really like this product for my hair just because I feel like it makes my brows match my hair a little bit more, and I don't know, I really like it. So you guys have to let me know which one you like better. This is the one with product and then it on top of the product, and this is the one with it just by itself. I kind of want to see what it looks like with my hair down, so let's go ahead and just do it. What do we have to lose? I did not fix my hair today, I just threw it up in a bun, so please excuse the way it looks. Alright, let's see if it matches my hair. I have like makeup in my hair, so don't mind that. Does it match? What do you guys think? Here, I'll zoom out a little bit. I probably should have brought a brush over here, but I didn't, so just ignore my tangles. But I honestly feel like it makes my brows match my hair better, which I really like. What do you guys think? You totally have to let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And so yeah, that's pretty much gonna sum up this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun trying this with you guys. And if you have any questions about it, leave it in the comments down below. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, BritanyRaquell, go ahead and subscribe before you leave. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so 3 times a week. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take this makeup off because I've been filming all day. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys!